All right, welcome to part 3. I got all my tools laid out. I got a creeper. I got this little pick. Got my hammer. I got my wrench for the plug. I got my new filter in the box because in case it didn't fit, I want to be able to return it. Got my oil. I've made sure it's the right weight. I got some extra rags. Got the pans. I've identified where everything is, the plug. So yeah, let's get down there. Creeper is a good way to save your back for activities like this. So you're not rolling around on the floor. It's easier to slide. Alrighty. I have a flashlight. And as a mechanic, that's kind of something you always want to keep on you. You can use your phone, but it will get dirty. So I got my flashlight, and it's a little harder to do this while filming, but we'll see. So right, I want to make sure my pan is going to catch the oil. Sometimes when the oil comes out, let's see if I can just put the flashlight in here. Alright, that's good enough. Sometimes the oil's gonna have a little arc to it when it's coming out. I got this closed end wrench with an offset. And then go ahead and put the phone right there for a second, just to break that free. So I broke the nut free, or I should say the bolt. So now I'm going to use my hand to remove this. You want to be careful, that oil's going to be hot. So what I do is I'm taking out the nut with my hand, but I'm applying pressure to keep that nut in the hole. And when I know I keep saying nut, the bolt. When that bolt is ready to go, I can move it away quick and not get burned by the hot oil. So we're almost there. And if you're afraid to get burned by the hot oil, you can always let your nut just fall into the pan and get it out with a magnet. So I'm there, and we're draining. You see how quick that comes out, that hot oil? And this doesn't have to be scalding hot or anything to drain. You know, it's just, you don't want it to be cold. And hopefully we'll get some diaper rags for the shop so we can keep, you know, a clean floor, but for now I don't have any of that material. So yeah, while that's draining, I'm gonna go up and grab my tool. First thing I'm gonna do, I take my creeper. Might put my creeper to the side. So I don't step on it. Get my rag, clean my hand off, so I'm not spreading that oil everywhere. I got the plug, clean the plug off. I'm going to set the plug on my rags. I'm going to clean my tool off. Got my tool all cleaned off. And I set it right by the plug so I know where it is. Because the next time I'm going to use it is to put the plug back in. Alrighty. Now, to make that oil drain faster and more completely, I'd remove the cap.